Everything I know the world to be is now coming true, especially for me. And the reason is clear, it's because you are here. You're the nearest thing to heaven that I see. I'm on the top of the world, looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is a love that I found ever since you've been around. You always put me at the top of the world. Something in the wind has got my day, and it's telling me that things are not the same. In the leaves of the trees, and the touch of the breeze, there's a pleasing sense of happiness for me. There is only focus on my mind. When this day is through, I hope that I will find that tomorrow will be just the same for you and me. All I need will be mine if you are here. I'm on the top of the world, looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is that